Alright, so our final lesson for distance learning is finding unit rates from word problems and tables. So by word problems, I don't mean these long, lengthy things. I'm just talking about a simple phrase. So you're figuring out what is the unit rate. We're really dealing with money just so you can get an understanding of it. So if I'm asking for a unit rate, that means I want to figure out how much it costs per one of something. So, for example, from this phrase here, a bag with 24 grapes costs $3.60. How much would each grape cost? That's really just the unit rate, okay? So a bag of 24 grapes costs $3.60. So remember, if you're having to divide here, and if you're dividing, remember that the money goes inside and whatever the number is goes on the outside. So I have a bag of 24 grapes that costs $3.60. So that means I'm going to do $3.60 divided by 24. And I'm going to be nice and let you use your calculator because that's where you're going next year is 8th grade and you get to use calculators. So $3.60 divided by 24 is 0.15, which means that's 15 cents per grape. All right. All right, next one. So 7 movie tickets cost a total of $84. How much per ticket? You're just figuring out the unit rate. So I have $84 for 7 tickets. I want to figure out how much is one ticket. So I just do 84 divided by 7, and I get $12 per ticket. That's your unit rate. All right, unit rate just means how much does it cost per one of something. So those are examples for unit rates with phrases. Now, unit rates with tables is a little different. I mean, you're still dividing, but you have to look at it a little different to set it up. So you have number of pounds, 5, 10, and 15. These are your X's. And the cost, $17.50, $35, and $52.50 are your Y's. Okay, so to find the unit rate, you need to do Y divided by X. All right, that's important. That's what you have to do to figure out what is the unit rate. And you should be getting the same number every time you do it, just to check yourself. So my first Y value is $17.50 divided by my first X value, which is 5. So I'm going to do that. $17.50 divided by 5. So I get 3.5. And just check yourself. Make sure that you do this every time. Do the same for all the numbers because sometimes you might be dealing with a table that's not correct. So just check yourself. So the second one, you want to do 35 divided by 10. And since you have a calculator, this should go pretty fast for you. So, sorry, I did it wrong. 35 divided by 10. 3.5. And the last one is 52.50 divided by 15. 3.5. So you don't just say 3.5, you would say that it's $3.50 per pound. Okay, and that's all you do for tables. You're just doing your Y value divided by your X value back and forth and make sure that you get the same answer every time. All right, so let's do some more examples. So for the phrases, I have 6 apples that cost $1.50. How much per apple? So I'm going to do $1.50, remember money on the inside, divided by 6. So that means it's about 25 cents per apple. Pretty good deal. All right. 4 tickets for a concert cost $84. How much is each ticket? So $84 divided by 4. It's about $21 per ticket. Those are pretty easy. For the tables, just remember, we do Y divided by X. So I have my X values here on the left and Y on the right. And really, if you forget, if sometimes they may turn the table that different way, but remember, cost, money is really always the Y. Okay? So let's just do $7.20 divided by 6. Sorry, I can't type. 7.2 divided by 6. 1.2. Next one, 1440 divided by 12. 1.2. And last one, 2160 divided by 18. 1.2. So it looks like we're looking at the number of sodas compared to the cost. So if I have $1.20, that's going to give me 1 soda. All right. And that is all you are doing for this unit. So make sure that you have all this down. Remember, tables are y over x, and word problems are just money inside when you divide. Okay? After you've done this, make sure you do your final assignment for distance learning, and then I hope all of you have a fantastic, wonderful summer. Bye, guys.